Auditing. Auditing is the formal review and examination of the actions or activities of any user. Auditing means recording a log of the events and activities related to the system and users. Event auditing allows the reliable, configurable, and fine-grained logging of various system events that occur regularly. An audit trail is the string of records by which any activity or event is traceable by comparative study of various logs. Auditing is also the process by which unauthorized or abnormal activities are detected on a system. Auditing is needed to detect malicious actions by users, attempted intrusions, and system failures, and to reconstruct events, provide evidence for prosecution, and produce problem reports as well as analysis. Audit trails. Audit trails provide a comprehensive record of system activity and can help to detect a wide variety of security violations, software flaws, and performance problems. Audit trails allow security professionals to examine and trace events. Using audit trail is a passive form of detective security control. Audit trails serve as a deterrent in the same manner that closed circuit television or CCTV or security guards do. If users know they are being watched and their activities are being recorded, they are less likely to engage in illegal, unauthorized, or malicious activity. However, more advanced attackers take the time to locate and delete logs that might have recorded during their activities. Audit trails are also essential as evidence in the prosecution of criminals. Audit trails provide a before and after picture of the state of resources, system, and assets. This, in turn, helps to determine whether a change or alteration is the result of an action by a user, the operating system, or the software, or whether it is caused by some other source such as hardware failure. Example. The transaction done by the user on the ATM machine will be stored in the log files and can be reviewed to understand various activities conducted during the transaction.